Kicking Horse Coffee. This particular variety is called Kick-Ass. It's dark and coarse. Sweet, smoky, and audacious. I just cut this open. Let's give it a sniff. Oh my. I know I've smelled that smell before, besides being coffee. Wow. Old Rope? They had three different brands. They had a Bear Claw strong coarse coffee. They had Three Sisters medium roast coffee, and they had this one, Kick-Ass. And I looked online. My Canadian friend from Moose Jaw, Dave Nicholson, hi Dave, he had some of this, and he said it was strong and really kick-ass, really named appropriately. And I looked online, and there's three ways you can get it. You live in Alberta province, Canada. If you live in St. Louis and shop at Dierbergs, which is where I got this, or you go online and you can order it online. Why of all places, St. Louis? That seems so weird, but we're going to try it. I have water in the bottom of my mocha. M-O-K-A is the name of this coffee maker by Bialetti, sorry. Put in a good scoop. Tamp it down just a wee bit. Oh shoot, Shirley, gosh. Now the stove will be awake. Screwed on the lid. And now it's time to turn on the electricity and get it going. Darn it, Shirley, why did you have to spill that? This cost $8.99 for this bag, which is how many whatevers? 10 ounces. They do carry it non-ground and ground, and I bought the already ground stuff. Hey, you want to see how a mocha works? When it starts coming out through the top, though, I will close it because it'll spatter out. Oh, surely, a mess to clean up. This is like, how many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop? This is how long will it take until the water is hot enough to come. See, what happens in these jobbers is the water is down here in the reservoir, and it starts boiling and boiling, and it forces itself up through the little funnel that has the coffee in it. It comes up this spout like a volcano, and it comes out these little holes at the top. It just kind of flows out like a little coffee waterfall. And then when it reaches the rest of the end of the boiling water down here, it spurts out. In about 3.5 minutes. Can you see the coffee coming out here now? Like a little water fountain there. Now it's going to start sputtering and spitting. Whoop. The sound from a good coffee mocha or an espresso. See this flavorful steam? The flavorful coffee steam. The steam's kind of brown because it's coffee steam. Be careful, steam can really burn you. Oh, pretty much coffee there, see? You see the coffee? I'm turning off the heat. Whoop. Still spitting out a little. Alrighty then. Time to pour, time to taste. First I'll pour just a wee bit without any milk or anything in it. I'll let it cool a little bit, swirl it around, so I can taste the real coffee without being adulterated. First trying it black. Tastes kind of strong. It doesn't have any wonderful taste. Like some coffee has like a really wonderful aroma and wonderful taste. But if the caffeine kicks me in the butt, like it implies, that'll be alright. Now I'm going to try it with half and half. And now to try Kicking Horse Kick-Ass Coffee with Cream. Ha! Say that 400 times fast. Not bad. It's still a little hot. Things taste better when they cool down a bit. Not bad. If it promises that kick to keep me going, that'll be great. Probably let you know later on, tomorrow or the next day or whenever, if it really does give me that kick in the pants that I need to get things done. And I still have things to do tonight. Laundry out on the line, stuff to clean up in here, trash to put out. Yeah. And tomorrow's joke, Whoop Whoop Wednesday, is tomorrow, and I will have a joke for you. Upward and onward.